Hey folks, welcome back. In this video, I'm discussing println methods of the output stream. So I have a print and a println methods that belong to the output stream. I'm also going to discuss string concatenation and what is a label. So these are the things I will discuss in this video. As we've done with the last video, we have seen this class hello world, and output of this class, as we saw in Kodiva, was that this outputs hello world to the console. That's my console. Now if I replace this, well, if I duplicate that, let's do that. So if I duplicate that, and let's say I have another system.out. Oh, there are some things that are extra. We'll get rid of those. So I have system.out.println twice. So what you will get is hello world, hello world. Now, how does that work? Well, println. What does println do? Println outputs something on console and hits enter. Hitting enter means my cursor goes to, my blinker goes to the next line, and that's where it puts hello world. What if I don't want blinker to go on the next line and I would like it to stay right after this? So output of this program right now is hello world, and I'm going to change some things around here. I'm going to take these two out over here. This is NG. Why would you write when you don't need to? Okay, so good. So take that out, and I'm gonna bring in hello. I'm gonna bring in print, and I'll duplicate that. So when I do that, now my output will look like, just hello. Why? Because print statement does not include an enter. So when we do the first hello, my cursor will be right here. There won't even be a space between these. So you will see hello next to each other. Now what if I do something like this? I bring this down, and I bring about my println in the middle. What will be my output? Anybody guessing ahead of time? You should try to. Now my output will be hello, and my cursor will stay right after hello, so that would be followed by hello world, and hello world is a println. It's going to hit an enter. My cursor is going to go to next line, and that's where I'm writing hello. So println prints something and hits enter, makes cursor to go to the next line. Print something and cursor is right there. So that's the difference between print and println. Now let's get to the next part, which is string concatenation. We will get this out of our way. We don't need this anymore. So I'm just gonna erase this. So that's gone. All right. So let's move console out of our way too. So next topic will change the color as well, actually. So now next thing we discuss in this video is string concatenation. Concatenation means combining. Combining two or more strings. So string, the input is of type string. We write them as you've already seen, that's the string type of information. That information is written in double quotes. Let's say I want to write your name. I want to combine two strings. I have a string hello. I have a string hello. I have another string world. And that's not one string. They're two different strings. I want to combine them. So I could do this. I could do and let's say I'm going to combine them in a system out. So I'll do system dot out dot println hello plus world. Well, plus when you give it two numbers, it adds them. But when you give it two strings or even one string as an input, it concatenates them. Concatenate means it glues them. Here, my output would be hello world. So string hello world, and there's nothing after that, hello world. So that'll be my output. So string concatenation means combining two strings with a plus. Very soon, we will see more things that will clarify that. And let's say I say, hey, I want you to display your name with correct labels. That means what am I interested in is if you do system.out.println, what is a label? Label for your name would be name. So I need you to write name, and name is Tom Brown. So you output your name with the correct labels, and that's what label means. That's nothing to do with computer science, but that's what the meaning of word label is. So that will output on console name Tom Brown. I hope that makes sense. So this is string concatenation, means combining two strings. We'll get into more details of those. And that we do using plus. If you have two strings and you have to join them together, that's that. And label is what information you're writing. You give a title to that. That's label there. Hope that made sense. Println string concatenation.